Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for quadratic formula. Let's take a look. So we need to use the formula, quadratic formula to determine the root of each equation. Here, for the quadratic formula, it's gonna be minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Then we divide by 2a. It must be from the equation of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. So the equation must be equal to 0. Okay, a, we got it. A is gonna be 1, coefficient of x squared. B gonna be 4. And c equal to minus 3. So let's proceed into the formula. So for the a equation, so minus 4 plus minus square root of b is 4, so we make it 4 square minus by 4 times a is 1, c is minus 3. We divide by 2 times 1, so it's gonna be minus 4 plus minus square root of 16 plus 12. We divide by 2, so minus 4 plus minus, so 16 plus by 12 is gonna be square root of 28. We divided by 2. Square root of 28, we can simplify. So it's gonna be minus 4 plus minus square root of 7. We multiply by square root of 4. Divided by 2. So it's gonna be minus 4 plus minus. Square root of 4 is 2, so 2 square root of 7, and we divide by 2. We could simplify it. 2 divided by 4 divided by 2 is gonna be 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we got the x right here. So the first x gonna be minus 2, and then we plus by square root of 7. Another x gonna be minus 2, we minus by square root of 7. Okay, let's continue. Next question B. Okay, for B, so this is not equal to 0, so let us plus by 6 both of sides. So we got x squared plus 8x plus 6 equal to 0. So a gonna be 1 here, the coefficient of x squared. B is 8 and c equal to 6. Substitute into the formula. So x1 and 2 equal to minus 8 plus minus square root of 8 square minus by 4 times a is 1 and 6. We divide by 2a, so a is 1, so 2 times 1, so this is gonna be minus 8 plus minus square root of 8 square is gonna be 64, and then we minus by 4 times 6 is 24. Divided by 2, so it's gonna be minus 8 plus minus square root of 64, so it's gonna be 40. Then we divide by 2. So let's simplify. Minus 8 plus minus square root of 4, we multiply by square root of 10. Then we divide by 2. So minus 8 plus minus square root of 4 is 2, square root of 10. We divide by 2. We could simplify. It's gonna be 4, and here it's gonna be 1. So minus 4 plus minus square root of 10. So we got it from here. The first x gonna be minus 4 plus square root of 10, and the second x, another x, minus 4, we minus by square root of 10. Okay, let's make it one more space here. Also, we make it minus 4, both of sides to make it equal to 0, so 3x squared minus 2x minus 4 equal to 0. So we got a is equal to 3, b equal to minus 2, and c equal to minus 4. So we got it. This is the formula. x1, 2 is minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. Then we divide by 2a. So the C equation, x1 and 2, so minus b is minus 2, so minus 2 plus minus square root of minus 2 square minus 4. What is a is 3 times 3, and we multiply it by, okay, minus 4. We divided by 2a, so 2a is 3, so we make it 2 times, 2 times 3, so 2 times 3. Okay, let's proceed. So it's gonna be 2 plus minus square root of this 4. We got 4 times 3 is 12, 40, so this plus by 48 divided by 2 times 3 is 6. It's gonna be 2 plus minus square root of 52. We divided by 6. So 52, we have to simplify. It's gonna be 2 plus minus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 13 divided by 6. So it's gonna be 2 plus minus 2 square root of 13, then we divide by 6. Okay, 6. So if you got confused, this let's separate. 2 over 6 plus minus 2 square root of 13 divided by 6. There it is. So we could simplify it. It's gonna be 3. Also it's gonna be 3. This one. So the x1 we got 1 plus square root of 13, then divide by 3. Another x gonna be 1 minus square root of 13. We divided by 3. Okay, D. Rearrange, so we minus by 3 right side, so the left side we need to do the same thing. So we got 2x squared plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So A, the coefficient of x squared is 2, B, coefficient of x is 2, and C, the constanta is minus 3. Okay, we got it. Just substitute into the formula. So this for D, x1 and 2 equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square minus 4. A is 2, C is minus 3. Then we divide by 2 times A, 2 times 2. Okay, so this is gonna be minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 square is 4, so it's gonna be 6. 6 times 4, 24, so plus 24. We divided by 4. So minus 2 plus and minus square root of 28. We divide by 4. So let us simplify. So minus 2 plus minus square root of 4. We multiply by square root of 28. Divided by 4. So minus 2 plus minus 2 square root of 7. Here 7. Then we divide by 4. We could simplify it. It's gonna be 1, 2, and 1. So the first x gonna be 1 plus square root of 7 divided by 2, while the other x gonna be 1. We use negative sign, square root of 7. Then we divide by 2. Okay. Okay, suppose the quadratic equation A, okay, has two different real solutions. Show that the difference between the solution is. Okay, so the quadratic equation has two different real solutions. So the solution must be minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac. We divided by 2a. Okay. Okay, so the two solution, the first minus b, we will use positive sign, and then this is b squared minus 4ac. We divided by 2a. The difference mean negative, so we will minus by second solution is gonna be minus b. We minus by b squared minus 4ac, then we divided by 2a. Okay, let's blend it. So it's gonna be minus b plus here square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, and then minus times minus b, so plus b, minus times minus is gonna be plus square root of b squared minus 4ac, we divide by 2a. Since the denominator are equal, so we just keep it. So minus b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac plus by b plus by b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, look at it. Minus b plus b is gonna be disappear. So we got 2 square root. Imagine like we have square plus square is gonna be 2 square. We got 2 square root with the inside are equal, so we can just write as we got 2 square root of b squared minus 4ac, then we divide by 2a. We could simplify it, both of them we divide by 2, so the difference is gonna be square root of b squared minus 4ac, we divided by a. So yeah, there it is. Thank you.